The literal meaning of Mardan is the land of brave men. The armies of Alexander the Great reached the Indus Valley by two separate routes. There are 99.87% Muslims, 0.01% Sikhs, 0.01% Hindus, and 0.09% Christians lived in Mardan. Assalamu Alaikum. Today we are going to talk about an ancient and beautiful district. And 72,215 females. Rural population was 1,933,177, 81.44%, while the urban population was 440,222, 18.55%. The literacy rate was 56.81%. The male literacy rate was 71.88%, while the female literacy rate was 41.60%. There are 99.87% Muslims, 0.01% Sikhs, 0.01% Hindus, and 0.09% Christians lived in Mardan. The most common diet of the people is bread, which is mainly made of wheat flour, but maize bread is also eaten. Generally, the foods are spicy. The people of the area are fond of meat, especially various forms of beef cooked and shape of chapli kebab, sikh kebab, and tekas etc. Mostly black tea with milk is taken as hot drink, but kahwa green tea is also popular and is liked by most of the people. Most of the people are farmer and profession in villages. They are engaged in agriculture either directly or indirect. Industrial labor has increased after the establishment of factories in different places of the district. Some people are engaged in business and government service also. Now if we talk about the language, Pashto was the predominant language spoken by 98.25% of the population. Other languages spoken here are Urdu and Saraiki. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe. Bye bye.